How to get $50 Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Shein coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one website, Coupon Follow. You can also go ahead and open this one website. After you open it, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. Just scroll and check 35% off, $50 off, $10 off, and many more. Just scroll and check out. And you can head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on the offer to use it. So you'll get the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Shein. You will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. That you'll get discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Shein. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to get $50 Shein coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.